To make your Roblox quick screen. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you how can you make your Roblox quick screen. Now basically the Roblox has a feature that you could actually log in by using a quick screen option or a quick sign in option. So for that you want to open up a browser, and then on the web address bar you want to type in roblox.com, and this is going to take you to the official page. So here you want to click on the login button. Now let's say that you do not remember your password or your credential. Then what you could do is you could actually try using another device. Now for this case you need to make sure that account or that the other account is logged into your mobile device or maybe on some other devices. So basically what you have to do is you'll be able to see this option as you have to go ahead and scan the QR code, or you could actually go ahead and type in the code. So now from further on, I'm going to use my mobile device in order to show the next step. So here I am. What next I need to do is open up my Roblox application, but make sure that you're also logged into the same account. And then what next you want to do is click on the more button from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Then what next you want to do is you want to click on this option that is quick sign in. As you do it so, you'll be able to see that only enter code from the request device, never enter another user's code. Then you want to enter in or type in the code that you recently copied from the PC or that you see the option, or else you could also try scanning the QR code. Either way the procedure will remain the same. Now make sure to type in the exact code. Once done, click on the enter button, and then you could see this sort of information. If you're sure about it, click on confirm login. Now then you could see you've been logged in, and this is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.